Dear students, in this video we will discuss about the conventional sign and symbols. It is the most important components of the map. It is not possible to draw on the map the actual size and shape of the different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway line or a well. Now the question is that what is conventional sign or symbols? इस कन्वेंशनल साइन एंड सिम्बल्स होते क्या हैं? These are the symbols that we use on the map, because it is not possible for us to draw the actual shape of these trees, railway lines, buildings, roads, bridges, etc. So we use the symbols. These symbols are depicted with the help of the symbols on the map. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. We can draw on the map these symbols easily. These symbols maps can be drawn easily and very easy to read. हम इनको मैप में बहुत ईजिली ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं एंड रीड भी कर सकते हैं. Maps have a universal language called conventional sign and symbols that can be understood by all. It is the language of map. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols as they are universally accepted. These symbols are accepted by the whole world. A list of relevant conventional signs is given at the bottom of the map so as to facilitate its study. It is also known as legend. These symbols are road, dual carriageway, path, railway, bridge, bus station, orchard, church with spire, church with tower, cross house, heliport, windmill, post office. As we use P for post office, PH for the police house. For the public house. PH for public house and for CH for the club house. And CH for the club house and TH for the town hall. And CG for the coast guard and PC for the public convenience. And we use the symbol of two swords, site of battle, and the cross symbol, site of the ancient features. And we use three curved line for the contours, and 100 it is the spot height, and I it is information center, P for parking, and it is the sign of the picnic site and campsite and telephone. And these symbols are very important for the geography, and it makes the map to read easy. So you can also see these symbols on your book and understand it. Okay, thanks.